Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix C0035 and C0040 bad front wheel speed sensor for the driver's side and passenger side. If you're getting C0035 and C0040 bad front wheel speed sensor code, I'm going to tell you guys the symptoms that you should expect. I'm going to tell you guys some of the possible causes. If you're getting these codes, you're going to notice the ABS light turning on. You're going to notice the check engine light turning on. And you're also going to notice the traction control light turning on. You may also notice the traction control is not going to work properly. You're also going to notice the ABS also may not work properly. What can cause the front wheel speed sensor to stop working properly? And the first common reason is that the wheel speed sensor itself is faulty, and most likely it probably failed. The next reason why the wheel speed sensor failed or stopped working properly is going to be a connection issue. Most likely there's going to be mud or dirt or water accumulated on the connection. If water or mud get onto the connector, it can cause the pin on the connector to become corroded, and this can cause poor signal. If signal is poor, it can trigger the ABS light and traction control light, and it can also trigger the check engine light and trigger those C0035 and C0040 code. Here is a close-up view of mud and dirt and water getting on the connector. The next reason why you're getting those codes is going to be a circuit or wire issue. The next reason why you're getting those codes, most likely you're going to have a circuit issue. For example, a object on the road can impact the wheel speed sensor wire, and it can damage it, and it can cause an open, and it can cause the two wires to touch together and cause a short. Also, when you're doing a suspension job or a brake job, it is important to remove the wheel speed sensor and let it dangle like this, because if you keep the wheel speed sensor on and when you drop the suspension, it can cause the wheel speed sensor wire to pull, and it can cause it to stretch, and it can damage the wire, and again causing an open circuit. So all you have to do is remove the wheel speed sensor from the bracket over here, and there's also another bracket over here, and you just have to remove it from the hub. The next reason why you're getting those codes is going to be caused by interference. So make sure to check the tone wheel, reluctor wheel, or the teeth on the axle, and make sure there's no object caught on it, such as twig or rock or mud, because if there's foreign object on it, the wheel speed sensor cannot get a proper reading, and this can trigger that code. For some vehicles, the wheel speed sensor is built together with the wheel bearing as one assembly. So when the wheel bearings start to fail, this can also cause the wheel speed sensor to fail as well. If you checked everything and you still can't fix the issue, you might have a bad ABS module. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.